and I thank all members for their contributions. The Honourable Nicola Centofanti, the Honourable Sarah Game, the Honourable Connie Benares and the Honourable Reggie Martin. I will indicate that the Greens are not supportive of any of the amendments that have been proposed. We don't support the Liberal Party amendment. There is no youth crime crisis. That's a moral panic, a beat up from Conservative politicians, so I don't support putting that in the motion. In terms of the government amendments, really what the government is doing is just removing the verb from the motion, actually asking the government to do something. So I don't support that. To the point that the Honourable Reggie Martin made, that stakeholders may have made submissions on the basis of anonymity. Well, I would certainly have no difficulty with the government checking with those who have made a submission around whether or not they are happy to have their submission released. I do think that there is a pattern of behaviour emerging with the Malinauskas government, whereby it conducts these consultation pieces, invites stakeholders to make submissions, and then the submissions sort of disappear into the ether somewhere, and no one ever knows what happens to the feedback that they have provided. This was an issue with the review of the Residential Tenancies Act, where the Greens had called for some time for the government to make the submissions public. And it's an issue with respect to this legislation, or this proposal as well. People have made a submission in good faith, and if, as members of Parliament, we're going to consider the options that are on the table, then we need to actually know what the views are of the community. My motion, whilst my views on raising the age are well known, my motion doesn't commit the upper house one way or the other. It's simply asking for that information to be put on the public record.